Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank to Mr. Miftauddin MA. Thank you for the chance given to us to present our assignment about manual medium to teach English from the subject of medium of language teaching. And my team choose the material of part of speech with sorting basket as the medium. Before we start our presentation about the material and the medium, I would like to introduce our team first. The first one is Salsabila Verena with an ID number 28. The second one is Alvina Rofiati with the ID number 29. And Noviani Arum Fitria with ID number 30. And my name is Isna Latifa with ID number 31. The first point is about what is the material we want to cover. The material we want to cover is part of speech. This is material for the 10th grade or the first grade of senior high school. This material including noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and determiner. And why we choose this material? It is to help students understand word function in a sentence.
The next slide is manual tool description. Part of speech sorting basket. A hands-on sorting activity. Student categorize word cards, use basket or envelopes as sorting bins and includes 50 until 70 vocabulary cards. And the next is game procedure. 1. Divide class into groups. 2. Gives each group a set of word cards. 3. Students sort cards into correct basket within 2 minutes. 4. The teacher checks the result. 5. Extract challenge group. And the last is create sentences using short words.
Okay, the next slide is development step 1. Identify the learning objective. Classify words based on their part of speech and improve grammar awareness and then practice vocabulary recognition. And development step 2 is design the tool we prepare. Label basket or envelopes and then mix vocabulary card and category labels for each part of speech and the design focus and clear labeling, simple layout, and consistent format. Okay, next is development step 3. Create the prototype activities, assembling baskets, writing and printing word cards, and laminating cards for durability, and last, preparing a functional prototype. And then development step 4 is test the tool we test with a small group to check. So, the first is clarity of interaction, whether students understand categories, timing and difficulty level, and engagement level. Loss of development step 5. Evaluate and revise. Feedback indicate improvement on label clarity, word selection, adding color codes, adjusting difficulty level, and revisions applied before final product.
Next is development step 2. Now we are on the stage 2 that we already prepare the tool that is plastic cup for the basket and the vocabulary list. From step status, identify the learning objective, design the tool, create the prototype, test the tool, and last evaluate and revise. We already in design the tool. So from the step 2 we have prepared is design the tool. Material prepared 1. Labeled basket and envelopes. Sorting containers with large, contrasting, and easily recognizable label. Different colors can be used to help identify categories. 2. Mixed vocabulary cards. Mix vocabulary cards from various parts of speech, printed with clear font and comfortable size for easy reading. 3. Category labels for each part of speech. Category labels such as a noun, verb, adjective, and others create in consistent format to be attached to each basket. and design focus. One, clearly labeling. All labels are designed to be large, bold, and easy to see to the student can short quickly. Two, simple layout. The layout of the tool is simple so that the flow of use is easy. Take a card, read, short, and place. Three, consistent format. Cards and label use the same size, font, and style so that they appear neat, organized, and easy for students to understand. And the slide about the tools will be delivered by my friend Verena and Alvina.
Okay, next is explanation of cup. A cup is supporting tool used in the part of speech sorting basket activity. It functions as a temporary container for holding pre-sorting vocabulary flashcards before they are placed into the main basket. And the function is number one, serve as a temporary place to group words according to their part of speech, like verb, noun, etc. Number two is help students identify the correct category before placing the flashcard into the main basket. And number three is ensure a more structured and organized sorting process. After understanding its function, let's continue with its form and size. Number one, made from paper or plastic cups. Number two, height is approximately 7 until 9 centimeter. Diameter is 5 until 7 centimeter. And number three is simply decorate and label with part of speed categories. And last is total cup repair is 9 cups based on the number of categories. Next, I will explain the vocabulary cards that we prepared for this project. In the first slide, we show three categories: nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Each category has 10 simple words. For example, for nouns, we have book, student, teacher. For pronouns, we use I, you, he, and for verbs, we have words like run, speak, and write. These words will later be printed as individual cards for the sorting activity. And then in the second slide, we include adjective, adverbs, and prepositions. For adjectives, we have words like happy, sad, tall, and smart. For adverbs, we use quickly, slowly, always, and never. And for prepositions, we include basic ones such as in, on, under, and between. All of this will also be turned into sorting cards. Next, in the third slide, we have the last three categories: conjunctions, interjection, and determiners. For conjunction, we use words like and, but, or, because, and although. For interjection, we include a short expressions such as wow, oh, hey, and oops. And for the determiner, we use basic one like and the, this, that, and those. This will also be printed as a card for the activity. So overall, we prepare 90 mixed words covering all of part of speech. We use simple words so student can focus on certain. These cards will be used in the activity, and the bigger set makes the game more challenging and fun. Okay, now we move to group work management. For our group work, we divided the task to make everything easier. Isna was in charge of finding the vocabulary list, and I handled the printing and cutting of the word cards. Verena designed the baskets and made the media using plastic cups, and Arun prepared the tools and materials like paper, cups, and markers. So, this is how we manage the work in our group. The next one is example game procedure. Number one, We divide the class into group, of course, and then give each other group a set of word cards. So students sort the cards into the correct baskets within 2 minutes. Then the teacher checks the results. The last one is extra challenge. Groups create sentences using the sorted word.
And now I would like to present about our teamwork progress. Our group worked collaboratively and every member contributed effectively. Like we have presented on the previous slide, I have looking for the vocabulary list and we have around 10 words for each part of speech. And my friend Alvina will continue to print and cut the word cards. Verena have designed the basket and making the media. And Arun will continue to prepare tools and material like paper and marker and so on. And tomorrow we will continue working on the media, specifically focus on decorating the cup to be the basket. And we plan to add decorations such as labels indicating the types of part of speech on each cup and other supporting elements.
Alright, that's all from our group. Thank you for watching our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.